Hello, my name's Mr. Hussein. Let's continue what we start before about thermochemistry. We will talk about heat and temperature topic. Before we talk about heat, we must keep in mind that any substance molecules in continuous motion which known as vibration but different in their speed in same substance. Let's hit our spot now by talking about heat meaning. Heat is a form of energy that can flow from one position to another depends on difference in temperature between them. Then what mean by temperature? To know what temperature mean we must take a look to the beaker. We see that beaker has 100 Celsius temperature degree. But that macroscopic. It's what measuring in world that we live in. But hopefully you know the temperature is caused by microscopic interaction. As we know that all of these molecules move with different speeds. But the average kinetic energy of this all molecules equal to temperature. The more they moving, the more their speeds are, the greater temperature is. So the temperature is measurement of average energy of matter molecules and its indication of hotness and coldness of an object. As we know, Ke average equal half mV average. So if we have a system like this, one gain heat energy, this lead to average speed increase of its molecules. Then kinetic energy of its molecules increase. And temperature increase and vice versa. Now let's talk about units of measuring heat quantity lose or gained by the system. There are two main units for heat quantity: calorie and joule. Calorie is the quantity of heat needed to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water through 1 degree Celsius. Joule is the quantity of heat needed to raise the temperature of 1 gram of water through 1/4.184 degrees Celsius. So to convert from joule to calorie, divided joule value over 4.184 and vice versa. Let's move to another important topic: specific heat. The specific heat is the amount of heat per unit mass required to raise the temperature by 1 degree Celsius. As we see in this table, specific heat is specific for each substance. And water always have a specific heat higher than others. Let's talk this example to figure out the idea of specific heat. If we have the two substance with same mass like aluminum and copper and heated with the same heat amount, we see that copper temperature rises greater than temperature of aluminum, so the specific heat of aluminum is higher than specific heat of copper. We must notice that measuring unit of specific heat is joule per gram Celsius. Then how to calculate amount of heat? We can use this relation. Quantity of heat at constant pressure equal mass of the matter multiple specific heat of the matter multiple change in temperature of the matter. By this relation we can calculate specific heat of the matter and mass of the matter and initial temperature and even final temperature. Then let's talk about some devices related to temperature and heat. The first one is coffee cup calorimeter. It's clearly an isolated system used to determine change in temperature of chemical reaction by knowing each initial temperature and final temperature. And it prevent any change in heat or substance with surrounding. And its components: isolated system, stirrer, thermometer, the reactants. There another one is called bomb calorimeter, which used to determine heat of combustion of substances. Then how this device work? A known amount of substance put in excess, and amount of oxygen under constant pressure with it. In isolated system called steel bomb, which surrounding by a known amount of water contains substance. Then substance is ignited by wires. By measuring temperature of water we get temperature of heat combustion. I think time is gone. Thank you for watching. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe.